Officer Hare somehow got himself locked in the back seat of the cruiser
with a woman who'd offer to have sex with him.
I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now.
August 2023, San Diego police officer Anthony Hare found himself in an unprecedented situation when he accidentally locked himself in the back of his police cruiser with a female detainee. The woman, arrested in connection with a car theft, propositioned Hare for sex during their transport to the police headquarters.
Hey, just listen to him.
Put your hands behind your back. I know.
Can you get the other one?
Yeah, hold on one second.
Okay, we're just gonna go to my car right here, okay? Follow me.
The incident started around 8 p.m. when Officer Hare, along with several other officers, arrived at the intersection of Denver Street and Claremont Avenue in Bay Park to assist in arresting multiple individuals suspected of auto theft. Hare was responsible for transporting one of the detainees, a woman taken into custody on a warrant. Hare was supposedly told to transport her to Las Colinas Women's Detention Facility to book her into jail.
You're gonna come with me to my car, so let's go.
Oh, he said you heard him when he said it.
Oh, let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah, this way. Walk across the street. No.
He said he was gonna ask me. Why are you the only mean one here?
I'm not mean.
Bro, you're the only date breaker.
No, we can
honestly,
talk more once we get into the car, okay? I got your.
Sorry for calling that, but
I got your not your duffel bag, but the drawstring bag. I got all of that. Your makeup. So.
Not really. I really do your job. I understand you do your job. But why would you hate it like that? I just want.
Go, step inside. Go.
I'm gonna
Put your feet inside.
Immediately after entering the car, their conversation spiraled into something else, all caught on body cam.
Why are you asking that? What do you mean? I'm cool to you.
not bad. What is it gonna hurt me if I were to listen to that? You know what I mean? That's what I should say.
Yeah. Well, you're not. A little bit. Well, I can't hear you now. Don't say that right now. No, I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now. What's going on?
Despite Hare's initial admonishment that their conversation was being recorded, he subsequently turned off his body camera and diverted to a dark residential street. This is exactly where he parked the police cruiser. Subsequently, Hare stayed with the woman locked inside the back of the cruiser for more than 1 hour at the residential street. This led to Hare's distress call for backup when he found himself unable to exit the back of the cruiser.
And I want you to watch the very cringy moment when he's rescued.
Alright, sir, step out of the vehicle for me. 114 yellow. What code for? Everything just went wrong. Okay, hold on. Let me turn my camera off. She's code 4? She's code 4. Okay. Yeah, let me turn this off real quick.
Hare claimed that he turned off his body camera and moved to the back of the vehicle to check on the detainee after she purportedly had a medical incident. According to Hare, while he was attending to her, the door accidentally closed, trapping him inside. When backup arrived, Hare's panicked demeanor and subsequent explanation did little to clarify the unusual circumstances. At the station, the woman was booked into jail. Subsequently, when asked about the incident, he maintained that his primary concern was the detainee's health, which necessitated his presence in the back seat, leading to the inadvertent entrapment. An internal investigation into the incident revealed several inconsistencies in Hare's account. Notably, semen was found on Hare's uniform and belt, raising serious questions about his conduct.
So then I was like this, and then you want me to see how she was laying down, or?
How you ended up inside.
So like, yeah, so she was laying down, her face was over there, and then I was just like kind of right here. I was like, hey, well, at first I was like, hey, wake up. I was like, hey, you okay? Blah blah blah. She did like, so her head was facing towards that way, and then this is when I was shaking her, and then this is when I went in. But then I don't know if I had my hand like this, and then something like that happened, and I kicked it with my foot like that, and then I was in, and then I was waking her up like this. I was like this, waking her up. While I was waking her up, I hear the door click behind me.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so yeah, I was like this. And then, when I found out the door was clicked behind me, I positioned myself like this. And I already knew that there was no door handle, but I was just like frantic. I was like, I can't get out of here.
Okay.
And then that's when she was able to sit up here. And then I told her, you can stay there. Blah blah blah, and then I was just like hunkered down like this on my side.
So let me go to the other side, then you climb back in.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Open the door, and then as I came in like that, I was trying to wake her up. My feet wasn't this. My feet didn't get caught like that. And then when I was like waking her up, that's when I noticed that this door closed on me, and then that's when I was like frantic trying to open the door, but I know there's no door opener. And then from then she was able to. So I was like this majority of the time. I was trying to get her up because her face was right here.
Okay.
Right here, and then I was trying to like wake her up to get her up. And then next thing you know, I hear the door close on me. I was frantic. I was looking, and then that's when she started to kind of like, I guess, wake up or get dazed off, whatever. And then that's when I asked her like, "Hey, are you having a hard time breathing?" She said, "No." "Do you need medics?" "No." I was like, "Okay, all right, just stay right there." And then that's when I was trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then that's when I went on D2.
All right, you can jump up. Jump up.
Do you mind?
Hare resigned from the police force approximately a month into the investigation, strategically a day before his scheduled interview with Internal Affairs. Despite the gravity of the situation, Hare has not faced any criminal charges related to the incident. The case underscores potential issues within the law enforcement accountability mechanisms, as Hare's resignation preempted any formal disciplinary action. His ability to resign and avoid charges leaves open the possibility for him to seek employment in other police departments, highlighting a loophole in the system. The female detainee's perspective further complicated the narrative. She reported that Hare had asked for her phone number and expressed interest in meeting after her release from jail. However, during the investigation, she claimed that no inappropriate activity occurred during the incident. This contradictory stance, alongside Hare's resignation and the forensic evidence, painted a complex picture of the events, suggesting a consensual yet professionally unethical interaction. Subscribe for more police cam story. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now. Thanks for watching.